Now, the Central Bureau of Investigation has closed the 2017 corruption case of alleged irregularities in leasing aircraft for Air India that involved former Civil Aviation Minister Praful Patel. The CBI, in May 2017, on the orders of the Supreme Court, had registered a case against officials of the Ministry of Civil Aviation and Air India to probe allegations of irregularities in leasing the aircraft for Air India. However, politics has played out over the same. Now, the opposition is questioning the timing of the clean chit. The opposition says that the BJP's washing machine has miraculous powers and that the development comes less than a year after Patel, along with Ajit Pawar, orchestrated a vertical split in the NCP and joined the hands with BJP and the Shiv Sena to join the Maharashtra government.
ये बिल्कुल साफ है कि ईडी और सीबीआई का प्रयोग विपक्ष को खत्म करने के लिए किया जा रहा है। विपक्ष के सभी नेताओं के ऊपर एक एक करके केस लगाए जाते हैं। जो भारतीय जनता पार्टी में आ जाता है उसके ऊपर केस खत्म कर दिए जाते हैं। छगन भुजबल के केस में ऐसा हुआ कि ईडी ने कहा कि हमारी फाइल खो गई है, इसलिए हम केस बंद कर रहे हैं, और फिर से यही मामला सामने आया है।
सीबीआई ने जिस तरीके से क्लोजर रिपोर्ट सबमिट की है प्रफुल्ल पटेल के केस में, उसमें उनको क्लीन चिट दी गई है। विपक्ष का कहना है, आम आदमी पार्टी कह रही है कि तभी वो कहते थे कि ईडी वगैरह यूज की जा रही है सिर्फ विपक्ष के नेताओं के लिए।
इनकी ये हो गई है कि इनको लगता है कि कानून भी इनके हिसाब से चलना चाहिए, इनके डायरेक्शन पे चलना चाहिए। तो कानून अगर इनके डायरेक्शन पे नहीं चलेगा तो उस पर प्रहार शुरू कर देंगे, उसके खिलाफ दुष्प्रचार शुरू कर देंगे।
My colleague Shweta joins us on the broadcast to get us more information on this. Shweta, time and again, the opposition have, of course, mocked the Bharatiya Janata Party as a washing machine. But it is very interesting the timing of such a clean chit, which comes almost a year after Praful Patel joined the hands of the BJP.
Well, that's right, Ashish. In fact, this is an interesting development which has taken place as far as the Maharashtra government is concerned, especially when opposition have been reacting sharp to it. Now we understand that NCP, before it split, the split, the leader of NCP, Mr. Praful Patel, he has joined the Mahayuti Sarkar now. After 8 months, what we see is that CBI has submitted the closure report of the investigation which they were doing on the matter when he was the aviation minister that time. He was MOS, and this case pertains to year 2017. Now remember, it was said by the CBI allegedly that during the year from 2007 to 2009, the losses were made to the aviation for rupees 840 crores, out of which the Supreme Court had then instructed CBI to take the case, and in PIL the CBI had took the case in its hand. Now we understand that several years have passed by and the closure report was submitted by CBI to special CBI court, but mind you, the next date of hearing is kept on 15th of April 2014. Till then, the special CBI court has not accepted the closure report filed by the CBI. It's just the submission of the report has been done. In the next hearing, it will be known whether the special CBI court is accepting or rejecting the closure report which has been filed by the CBI. Now let's talk about what was the exact case. Losses were made of rupees 840 crore, point number one. It is said that when Praful Patel was in UPA, during that time, the leasing of aircrafts, near about 10 aircrafts were made into lease to get into the aviation industry when the national corporation industry was formed. During NICL, what we see is that it was alleged by the officers, the aviation officers, that despite Air India facing losses and low passenger loads, still more than 10 Boeings were purchased from Air India, giving more benefit to the private players. This was the whole matter where we see that CBI came into the picture, but after several years, what we understand, highlighting point is 8 months after he has joined Mahayuti Sarkar, the CBI has submitted its closure reports.
Right, Shweta, whether this closure report will be accepted or not, there will of course be a lot of questions on the timing of it, and this is of course the BJP now facing such allegations from the opposition increasingly as the elections draw closer. Appreciate you joining us on the broadcast there with all those details. On that note,